Agile versus waterfall. What's the difference in software development? Waterfall is like building a house step by step. You plan everything upfront with a detailed blueprint. Then you finish each phase. Foundation, walls, roof, one after another. There's no going back. If you forget something like a window, you only notice at the very end. It's strict, structured, and works best when requirements never change. Agile, on the other hand, is like building with Lego blocks. You build a little, test a little, and you keep improving as you go. Team works in short sprints, huddle, build, test, and repeat. There's always a feedback loop, ready to adjust if the plan changes. Agile is all about flexibility, fast feedback, and adapting to surprises. So let's compare. Waterfall plans once and execute step by step, hoping nothing changes. Agile builds, tests, improves, and repeats, ready for change at any time. Waterfall gives feedback only at the end, while Agile provides fast, continuous feedback. So which one would you use? Hope it helps!